Hi, so my name is Pavo. I live in London. I came for the Samuel investing crash course. I think the key driver for myself is the fact I recently started being more interested in rental properties, and we recently found Samuel Leeds online, and we decided we're gonna join investing crash course on that day.
Fantastic. And how was the experience? Did it live up to what you're hoping?
So I think I came here with the expectations of getting some knowledge out of it, some information and direction. How can I actually direct my investing, let's say, journey? And Samuel and the rest of the team are very powerful. They got lots of energy in, and they're able to transform the energy on the audience with lots of the information that are very valuable for us investors, people, to build up our journeys in the future.
Fantastic. And in terms of when Samuel was, do you think Samuel was pushy with selling, or do you reckon he was, it was a nice balance?
I think whenever you sell something, you have to sell it at the end of the day, right? But I wouldn't say Samuel is very pushy with what he's trying to persuade to the audience. As I said before, he's providing lots of knowledge, lots of actual insights, and it's not like you have to, buy anything. If you actually got the time in your life, focus, you should, go for it, buy it. I'm quite sure it's the right choice if you're actually interested in that kind of stuff. And as mentioned before, lots of the knowledge, lots of the information. So yeah, I wouldn't say it's super pushy seller technique. So.
Fantastic. Final question: just anyone who's thinking about coming on the crash course, what would you say to them?
Again, sorry.
So someone who's thinking about coming on the crash course, what would you say to them?
Yeah, I think if you are at least a little bit interested in investing in the property area, nothing to lose. It costs nothing. £1 is nothing. You can commute from, as long as we live in UK, I guess it's not going to be as expensive. You can just come here. The place is great. The atmosphere is great. And yeah, nothing to lose, so much to gain. So 100% recommended.